Today in Shelter Food and Beer, I'm going to try something I've never had before. It's a pork, soft, spreadable salami, it says. So I have no idea what it is, but how could you go wrong with spreadable salami? So open it up and see what happens. Is it in a casing? Oh yeah, it seems to be in some sort of casing inside the plastic wrap, so I gotta cut into that also. And I'm just gonna get it all out. There she goes. Alrighty, I have a very thin cracker. It's rosemary and olive oil with some herbs in it. Actually, this cracker is delicious all by itself. So let's see what my spreadable salami does to it. It's very soft with very little odor, and it is, as advertised, spreadable salami. It's a good porn name. There you go. Let's try this out. There's a nice spicy flavor to it. It hits you like salami right at first. It's not as greasy or chunky as a salami. It's smoother. It's actually very enjoyable. I'm kind of surprised, you know. As much as I love salami, it's the texture of sliced salami that gets me, the little chunks of fat and everything that you end up in your mouth. And you know, it's not health food, let's just say that. This, probably not a health food either, but very delicious. Wow, I am totally surprised. Goes good with beer too.